Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart an M1911. Hope you enjoy. See you guys at the end.
Tell me why you tease me. Is it so hard to please me? Ooh, everybody sees you convoluted breeze. After all, everything we had was unleashed. And we rose like the rain she flows. Takes me on a trip with the boogie-woogie cars. The weird colors would be fading. With all of grace she'd be waiting. Would that thrill me to my bones? She said to lay with you, to make the lose. She said to pay my dues and be true. My overdose, my overdose. Do you hear my overtime? Just quit with this stalling. This was your calling. You better not fill my heart with stone. As she walks down the stairs with all her great friends, her individual pleasure is the glimpse she leaves. Baby, hold my tears, baby, baby, hold my tears. All it was, baby, falling like the open leaves. And she said to live with you, to make the lose. And she said, pay my dues and be true. She
Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good day, and see you guys next time. Bye.